Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome to Maths online class. So, we have discussed on the topic prime factorization. All of you know how to prime factorize a number. When we say a number is prime factorized, that means we have expressed a number in its prime factors. When all the factors are prime numbers, that is the main point in that. All the factors should be prime numbers. You know what is a prime number, isn't it? When we express all the factors as prime, then only we say that we have expressed in prime factorization. So, based on prime factorization, in today's class, we can discuss on HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. So, how can we find highest common factor? What is HCF for? And all this topic we can discuss in today's class. HCF we can find by two methods. First one is listing factors method. Second one by prime factorization. So listing factors means for the given two numbers, we'll list out all the factors of the given numbers and then we'll compare the factors from which we'll find the common factors and then we'll find the highest common factor, that is HCF. Other method means we are prime factorizing the given numbers and finding HCF. In today's class, we can discuss on HCF by listing factors. We can discuss this with the help of an example. Consider the numbers 20 and 30. So here first we are finding the HCF by finding its common factors. That means first we are finding the factors of the given two numbers and from that which are the common factors we are comparing and then we are finding the highest common factor. So first we are finding the factors of 20 and 30. So what are the factors of 20? Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. You know how to find the factors of a given number. Similarly, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. So now we got the factors of each numbers. That means we found factors of 20 and 30. Now, from the list of factors, compare the two given factors here and how many common factors are there? Here, in 20 we have 1. Also, in 30 also we have 1. So, 1 is a common factor. Again, here we have 2. Here also we have 2. So, 2 is a common factor. Here we have 4, but here we don't have a 4. So, we cannot include 4 in common factors. So 4 is not included. Here 5. 5 we have here. Here also we have. So 5 is a common factor. Again 10. Here we have. Here also we have 10. So 10 is a common factor. 20 we have here but we don't have here. Now coming the case of 30. 1 we discussed. 2 we discussed. 3 we are having here in 30 but we don't have 3 in 20. So we cannot take 3. Now 5 we discussed. 6 we have here but we don't have 6 here. 10 we discussed, 15 we have here but we don't have here, 30 we have here but we don't have here. So, we discussed all the factors here in 20 and 30 and we found out what are common factors. So, what are the common factors here? 1 is a common factor, 2, 5 and 10. Now, we first found the factors. From there, we found common factors. Now, what we have to found here? HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. So, from the list of common factors, what is the highest number? Here 1, 2, 5 and 10 we have. So, which is the highest common factor here? 10. Therefore, we can say HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. So, this we found by finding out the factors. But this method is based on finding factors. That means first we found the factors of the given numbers. Then from that we found the common factors and then we found HCF. So the HCF is what here? We got HCF 10. So the HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. Now if in the other method also if you find HCF, the answer will be same. So what we did here, when we got two numbers for finding HCF. First, we list out all the factors of that given numbers. don't miss out any factors. If you're missing any of the factors, then our HCF will be wrong. So we have to list out all the possible factors of the given numbers. Then we are comparing the factors of the given two numbers, finding out common factors which all are common in both the numbers. From that list, we are finding the highest common factor, that is HCF. So highest common factor, for that we are listing out the factors, then finding the common factors, and from the list of the common factors, which is the greatest one, that is HCF. We can look some more examples. Example, find the HCF of 22, 33 and 44 by listing out the factors. So what we have to do first? Here we have to list the factors first. So we have to find out the factors of 22, 33 and 44. So when we found the factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. For 33, 1, 3, 11, 33, and for 44, 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44. So we found the factors now. Now from comparing the common factors, 1 is a factor for every number. So 1 is there. Now here 2 is there, but in 33 there is no 2, but in 44 we have 2. But since we don't have in 3 numbers, we cannot say 2 is a common factor. If we have 2 in 3 factors only, we can say it is a common factor. Since it is not there in 33, we can say 2 is not a common factor. Next, 11. 11 we have in all the 3 numbers, so 11 is a common factor. Then 22, 33 and 44 is not common. So when we are comparing, we can see that only 1 and 11 are common factors here. So we have common factors 1 and 11. So from that, what is the greatest one? HCF is 11. So the HCF of the given numbers 22, 33 and 44 is what? 11. Next example, find the HCF of 24 and 36. So first we are listing out the factors of 24 and 36. So the factors of 24 are 1 into 24, 24, 2 into 12, 24, 3 into 8, 24, 4 into 6, 24. So we get the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So these are the set of factors of 24. Similarly, we are finding the factors of 36. 1 into 36, 36, 2 into 18, 36, 3 into 12, 36, 4 into 9, 36, 6 into 6, 36. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So these are the set of factors of 36. Now we are looking for the common factors in 24 and 36. We have 1 as a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, 4 is a common factor, 6 is a common factor. Here 8 is there, but here we don't have 8. Here we have 9, but we don't have 9 here. So 8 and 9 are not common factors. Next, here we have 12. Here also we have 12. So 12 is a common factor. Here we have 24, but we don't have here 24. Here we have extra 18 and 36, but we don't have here. So what are the common factors here? We have the common factors. So we have common factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So you know what is HCF? Highest of the common factors. What is it? Highest? 12. So HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Example, find the HCF of 14, 21, 28. So first we are listing out the factors. So factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. For factors of 21, 1, 3, 7, 21. Factors of 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. If you miss out any of the factor from the list, your HCF will be wrong. For example, if you are not writing the factor 7 in the list of 28, your whole answer will be wrong because you have 7 here, 7 here. If you are not writing 7 here, you will have no common factor as 7. So you will not include 7 in your common factor. So for like that, if you miss out any of the factors, your HCF will be wrong. So the factors are 1, 2, 7, 14 for 14. For 21, 1, 3, 7, 21. 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. Here we have included all the factors. Now taking the common factors, which all are the common factor? 1 is there in every number. Here we have 2, here also we have 2, but we don't have 2 here. Here we have 7, we have 7 here, here also we have 7. So 7 is a common. Here we have 14, here also we have 14, but we don't have 14 over here. So what is common here? 1 and 7 only common here. If that 7, if you missed out here, what happens? That common factor you will not have 7. So what you have the HCF 1. So you have to include all your factors. So when we compare the common factors, what we have, only the common factors are 1 and 7, and from that what is the greatest one? 7. So HCF of 14, 21 and 28 is what? 7. So today we discussed on HCF by listing out factors. HCF by prime factorization we can discuss in the next class. So when you're finding HCF by listing factor method, I told you not to miss out any of the factors. You have to include all the factors so that we can find out the correct HCF. Copy down the notes given and attend the test paper. We'll meet with the next concept in the next class. Thank you.